If you are an NFT artist who survived the crypto winter, chances are you're still creating NFTs on ETH and other chains. So today we are looking at a site called Highlight, and this website can help you easily deploy a collection such as a series, open edition, limited edition, one-on-ones on auctions and other things. You do not need to know how to code, and you can make pages of your mints and you can token gate your collections and do pretty much anything without having the need to code anything. So we are at highlight.xyz. Let's click on launch app. This will take up to the Highlight tools page, and the first thing we need to do is to connect our wallet. Let's use MetaMask. Let's verify our account. So you can also read the quick start guide here to mint and token gate and combining gates and mints, but we are going to create a collection first. So let's click on create a collection. Now you can do a series, open edition, limited edition and one-on-ones. If you need an auction, you need to create a one-on-one, and limited and open editions are similar, but there's a cap on limited edition but no cap on open edition. What I want to create is a series in which every artwork will be different with a different metadata. So let's click on series. They have a short and neat instructions or a guide here. So basically what you need is, you need a metadata file, you need an images folder with all the images named sequentially 1, 2, 3, and if you have animations to go with that image, you need to have an animations folder and name the files such as 1, 2, 3 corresponding to the image names. And the next thing you need is the metadata.json file. So what do they mean by that is, let's say I have a collection of 7 images like this. So I have an images folder and I have images 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and also I have an animations folder which also has the files 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now I need a metadata file such as this one, and I need to create all of them into a zip folder. So what I did here is, I created a Google Sheet and I have added all the information here. So the first one is the name, which will give the name of the token. The second one is image ref. So you need to keep these 3 headings the same, and other headings you can change as you like. So the name will be name. Image ref tells the zip file or the site to pick the image from this number. So it's an image reference, and this is animation reference. So if your project does not have animation, you can exclude this one, but keep in mind you need image ref and name. If you don't give the name, it will take the name as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have added only 7 things here. Let me add a last row so you can see how I have added these. So the last one will be called red, and the image ref is 7.png as it's the 7th file, and the same will be for mp4. It's 7.mp4 corresponding to the 7th image in this folder. So I'm talking about this one. So this is 7.mp4, and also the images, this is 7.png. So I'll just copy this one down. The primary color is red, the dress is top and pants, shoes detail is hearts, and the hair is straight and long. So I have this file or this Google Sheet. So now what I'm going to do is download a CSV from here. So go to file, download, and a CSV file. That will download a CSV. Now we need to convert this CSV into a JSON file, and we're just going to use online converter. So let's use this one. It's convertcsv.com if you want to use the same one as me. So I'll click choose file and drop this file that we downloaded here. You can also click here to choose file and then keep the encoding to default, and here is our converted CSV file. So as you can see, it starts with the name, image ref, animation ref, description, primary color, dress, shoe detail and hairstyle, all the things that I added. This is our resulted data, so we can either copy it from here or you can download it from here. So let's name it Metadata, and the .json will be added here automatically. So click on download result. So now that we have the metadata, images and animations in the same folder, I'll just select them all and use 7-zip to compress them into rainbowproject.zip. If you don't have 7-zip, you can download and install it for free, and if you're on macOS, it will simply give you the option to right click and compress them. So let's open it and check it. Images, animations and metadata.json file. So I just noticed in my case it had a desktop.ini file, and I'll just delete it and it should autosave. I'll open it again, and animations does not have any file now, extra file now. So it gave me an error regarding this. So I'll click on upload and select rainbowproject.zip. So as you can see, it has started uploading and the names are there, correct names are there, the description is correct, the primary color, dress, shoes detail and hairstyle, everything has been imported from the metadata.json file, and it's showing here thumbnails here and not the direct animation, because the thumbnail will be used as a placeholder for the animation. So unzipping and uploading might take a little time, so I'll just click on next step in the meantime. Next is the collection details. So we'll click on Ethereum mainnet because we want to create it on Ethereum. Next is the contract name, so let's click on customize contract. Let's name it rainbow-vector recite, and I'll leave all the other things the same and not change anything, and create contract. Next thing is the collection name, and this will be rainbow. The description, I'll just use it from here. Choose the logo image, so it may or may not be the same as one of your tokens, so I'll just use one of the tokens. Let's use this one. So the logo is added and we'll keep it transferable, and let's click on next. Now you can see the preview from here, and let's add the token price 0.04 Ethereum, and mint start date, let's make it Friday the 28th, and it's in my local time, so I'll just keep it like 11 AM, and mint end date, or let's just do it for an year, April 28th 2024, the same time. So now you'll have to choose from the mint style. This one is like where collectors can see what they are minting and select and choose what to mint, and this one is random mint. They'll just click and mint. This is best if it's a large creation and it's like a generative style, so they'll get a random roll from it. I want people to select what they want from this website, from this mint, so I'll just keep it to collector's choice. Gate, so you can create gates to allow some people or specific people to get specific pieces, so you can create a gate from here. So I'm not going to keep any gate to this collection, so that means anyone can mint from this mint page. So the primary payout address, so just add your address here. So I'm just going to add mine. Go to your MetaMask and click on your wallet address to copy it and paste it here, and let's add a 10% royalty and same address in the royalty. And limit the number of mints. If you keep it on, you can allow maximum mints per wallet, and I'll just keep it off. Click on next step. So I went in and changed a few details about it, like I changed the logo of the image and I changed the mint date, start and end. Other than that, everything is the same. Now let's click on review and deploy, check everything and click on deploy collection. So after the collection is deployed, it will lead you to this page. You can edit the mint from here, as I have done. I've moved the mint start date, and you can also add limits and gates from here. So to view the mint page, click on here, and this will lead you to the mint page. So the animations do show up here and they are actually in sync, so it looks way better. And you can see that it's unavailable because the mint is not started yet. It opens in 7 days until I change it, and you can see all the details from here as well. Also, you can click here to view all 7 tokens together, and this will lead to another page where all of them are shown together. And if it's like a long collection, you can scroll and see all of them here and share this page also. If you click on any of these, it will open the full page and you can see all the traits and details here and the animation here. The unavailable will be changed to mint when the mint is opened. And let's go back to the series and back to the series again. Now let's go back to the dashboard page, and you can share your mint page from here. So if you click share mint page, you can either copy it or directly share it to Twitter. So one more option you have instead of sharing the mint page is the embed mint page. So let's say you have a custom WordPress or Squarespace or any other site, so you can embed this mint page in that site also. So click on embed mint page and you can either do a mint card or a mint page. To do that, just copy this embed code and paste it in the short URL or HTML section in your website. So I'm not going to show it right now, but I found a sample in this highlight support page. So this is a mint page. It takes up the full page, so there's a preview information and all the details and mint open time and all the details here, and people can mint it from here. And the mint card is like a smaller version of it with a smaller preview, the name and the mint section. You can also embed auctions from the token dashboard and other things. You can check this page or their knowledge base for more things, and you can manage your embeds directly at the tools section or your tools dashboard, which you can access from here. So now our collection is almost done. Now you can wait and share it all over your socials and wait for people to mint. So that was it for this video from my side. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.